Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python string functions, capitalize, casefold, center, count. So 4 functions. So first of all, what are this basic definition of a string? So string is collection of characters which are represented in single quotes, double quotes or triple quotes. For example, hello in single quotes, welcome to Python in double quotes. We can also use triple quotes to represent multi-line string. So coming to string indexes, for every character in a string we have indexes, and these indexes range from 0 to n-1. Example SS hello, HELLO. So the indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, left to right. And Python also provides right to left indexes, which is -5 to -1, or from right it is -1 to -5. And we can use slice operator to access individual characters of a particular string. For example, SS of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And here we can use SS of -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. So now coming to first one, capitalize methods. What is the purpose? So it is used to make only the first character of a given string uppercase, only the first character. Next, casefold. So the general purpose of casefold is it will convert the given string into completely lowercase. Next, center. It will make centerized alignment for a particular string from the left and from the right with equal number of spaces. Next, count. It gives the number of times a particular string available in our original string. So count of substring. So let us demonstrate this with a small program. Okay, right. So take a new page. First write comments at the beginning of the program. Right. So here SS hello. SS dot capitalize, H will become capital. SS hello world. SS dot capitalize, only H will become, only the first letter of the complete string will become capitalized. So let us try to run this from our working directory. Hello H capital, hello world, only H capital. Okay, right. So next we'll take SS hello. Okay, right. So hello is completely in uppercase. So SS dot casefold, it will be converted into completely lowercase. Similarly, hello world, H capital, W capital. So SS dot casefold, it will be converted into completely lower case. So save this and run it. Hello in lowercase, hello world completely in lower case. So next, SS hello. So SS dot center of 10. So hello is already 5 characters. Okay, so total 10 characters with spaces from left and right. So hello is already 5 characters. On the left you will get 2 spaces, on the right you will get 3 spaces. Similarly, SS hello, SS dot center of 11 comma star. We can also give our own padding character for our centered string left and right. So on the left you will get 3 stars, right 3 stars, 6. In between you will get hello, total 11 characters. So save it, run. So 2 spaces and 3 spaces here, and hello, total 10 characters. So that is the center for with spaces. So 3 stars on the left, 3 stars on the right with hello, totaling to 11 characters. So next, coming to count. Okay, right. So I want to ss.count of e. Okay, so how many times e is repeated in hello, welcome to Python strings? So we have 1 time, 2 times, and 3 times. So it will take from the beginning 3. Next, ss.count e from 4th index. From 4th index means, see here, 0, 1, 2, 3 from 4. So from O, how many times we have e till the end? 2 times. Next, ss.count e from 4th index to 12th index. Okay, so 4th index is O. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 and 12. So 12th index is not included. Last index is not included. From O to M, how many E's are there? 4th index to 11th index. 12th is not included. So we have only 1 E. So save this and run. So 3, 2, 1. So 3 times, 2 times, 1 times. So this is how we are supposed to work with capitalize, casefold, center, count methods or functions which are available with string. And as per Python, everything is an object. So string is a class in Python and its functions. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.